This is chicken drumstick, 2 minutes in hot oil. Just turning white, no crust yet. Inside, completely raw, cold and pink. 4 minutes. Light golden spots start to show. Inside, still pink and raw near the bone, not ready. 6 minutes. Golden and crisp in some areas. Skin is getting nice texture. Inside, mostly cooked, but still a bit pink. Getting close. 8 minutes. Deep golden brown, skin is crispy. Fat is melting perfectly. Inside, fully cooked, juicy and tender all the way. 10 minutes. Darker, extra crispy crust. Inside, cooked through. Still juicy, but starting to dry. This is accordion potato, 30 seconds in hot oil. Just turning soft. No color, no crunch. Inside, raw and starchy. Way too early. 1 minute. You start to see a slight golden tint. Inside, still raw. You definitely need more time. 2 minutes. Light golden and starting to crisp. Inside, halfway cooked. Still a little hard in the center. 4 minutes. Golden brown and crispy edges. Inside, soft and cooked through. This is the sweet spot. 6 minutes. Deep golden and super crispy. Inside, fluffy, no raw part, but a little drier. This is tuna steak, 30 seconds on the pan. Barely seared. Inside, completely raw, like sashimi. 60 seconds. Now we have a light sear. The crust is forming, but the center is still deep red. 90 seconds. Nicely golden. Inside, rare but warmer. Still very soft, but you start to feel the texture. 120 seconds. Crust is stronger and more crisp. Inside, medium rare, pink with a warm center. 150 seconds. Now the sear is deep and caramelized. Inside, almost medium. Firm but not dry.